Welcome back, and today I am making a stress ball. Yeah. This kind of stress ball, is really stretchy, and it's soft, and it makes bubbles. Hey, I'm a penguin. What's up, guys? So, I'm gonna show you how to make it, and I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it, and subscribe if you like it, and maybe tell your friends and like. So, you will need corn flour. You will need water. There's just a random glass with water in it. You need balloons. And don't fill them with helium, people. No helium balloons. Seriously. These are just I've got a packet of 50 party balloons from Asda. And that's about it. Okay, and there's also a funnel. I took an icing funnel since, it's the smallest, so why not? Okay, so let's start. Corn flour, and now a little bit of water. We're gonna make this really weird oozy mixture. It's this kind of mixture that is it's soft and hard at the same time. So it's a non-metallic. Let's see. It should be hard to pick up, so it's hard, but it should also drip. So this isn't quite ready yet. A little bit more corn flour should do the trick. Okay. Oops. This is the most amazing DIY stress ball I have ever done yet. And it's just, oh my gosh. It's so satisfying. Stress relieving. So, totally recommend this. And it's easy to make. Like a few ingredients that you'll probably have at home. Maybe not balloons, but you may not have balloons at home, but you get the idea. You probably will have corn flour and water. If you don't have water, then that's a bit weird, but never mind. It can be just ordinary tap water. I mean, you won't be eating this, will you? Will you? I don't think so. And no, guys, this is actually edible, this stuff. So this is just corn flour and water, but I don't recommend it. And if you do, eat 1 tablespoon, and that's a teaspoon. It's gross anyway. Who'd want to eat this stuff? It's disgusting. Seriously, who? Okay, maybe one of you guys, and maybe me, because I'm one of those weird people. I feel like I want to eat this for some reason. Okay, so here's my balloon now. I'm gonna move this back and take the funnel. Here's a trick for putting it on. Take the funnel upside down, then take the balloon, the end of the balloon, and over it goes. This is not the best kind of funnel because it has spikes, but I couldn't find one right now, so the other one, they were all dirty, so here we go. Now we're going to take this and pour it in. You're just going to keep pouring until you feel like there's just a lot in the balloon. Great as it can be washed off really easily, so it's practically mess free. Just need water. You just need to apply water to whatever and it will wash off. Kind of stress ball. It's really non-messy, and oh, this isn't have enough corn flour. It was I don't know if you saw that, guys. It's complete soup, and I need it to be a little bit more, more corn flour-ish. This is going to be really watery, this one. These stress balls are fun for all the family, and they may not be safe for little kids under 36 months, because they won't understand what they are, and they'll try and bite through it, and they'll try and eat the corn flour. That won't be good. But for kids that are, reasonable, it's good. And it's actually satisfying for adults as well. Come on. All right, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Another spoon. Filling up this balloon until you feel it's big enough. So far, it's this big. I want it to be a bit bigger though. I want to use this whole bowl of cornflower, something I don't usually do. No guys, these balloons easily pop, so try not to use them with like sharp nails. And if they do start to pop, I would empty them, cut them open over a sink, or empty them, or just chuck the whole thing out. There are some amazing things you can do with balloons, so I will maybe one day I'll show you how to make some awesome things for different things using balloons, like a cannon. You can also make clothes for Barbie dolls and things. It's really nice. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, I think that the balloon is full enough anyway. Or maybe not. No. Ew. Okay, that is disgusting. I do not like that. Okay. I want to make more, though. I want to fill it up even more. That isn't enough. Oh, come on, Snowflake. I feel really sick already. Well, you're going to feel much more sick when I start squeezing you. Just humming a song I keep on hearing, so. Guys, I really hope you're enjoying the content I'm posting on this channel. Clover will soon record a video with me. If you have any good ideas, like what to post next, then tell me in the comments below. And remember, guys, all my gaming things. So if you have any ideas Minecraft related or something that's gaming, you can tell me on this channel, but I will post on Snowflake MCP or Snowflake and Clover, depending who you want it to do, to do. Okay, that's it done now. Oh god, ew. Okay, here we go. Here's the balloon. Now I've got to tie this up and yeah. Okay. Oopsies, guys. My finger. This really hurts, to be honest. Ew. Okay, guys, this is like super messy, so I wouldn't recommend doing this in a place that's supposed to be clean all the time. So, my goodness, I can't do this. Is it because my hands are so slippy? I mean, I can usually tie a knot like this fine, but today my hands are so slippy, it's ridiculous. Come on. Tie already. Tie. Ugh. Finally. Okay. So let's see how it turned out. Whoa. It's like really nice. The thicker the cornflower is, the stretchier it is. But, you know, if it's less thick, then you can make bubbles like instantly. Awesome. Yeah. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe for both of us, yo. And we'll see you again soon. See you next Wednesday, guys. Bye!